Look at that. Type got that shit on. Sound good.
I'm on a vlog. Got that.
Yeah. Hey, what's good with y'all boys, man? Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all doing great. Welcome back to another video. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, man. Right now we on the way to Charlotte. You know what I'm saying? Right now we on the way to Charlotte. Last minute trip, bro. They having a little clothing festival. It's one of their first ones. Yeah, one of their first clothing festivals, vintage clothing festivals. So it's kind of like I guess, just like a place where they selling a whole bunch of vintage clothes. I'm not sure what to expect, but I like Charlotte. 2-hour drive, day trip, content. I'm there, you feel what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, man. We about to pull up, check it out, see what they got, maybe get some food. You know what I'm saying? See what we can get into, then we gonna slide back to the crib. Nothing too crazy, bro. But yeah, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all what I pick up. And yeah, yiddy! Yeah, and we made it, man. Quick little 2-hour drive. It was nothing too crazy. I ain't see nothing tough on the road other than it was like a souped up Volkswagen like Jetta. Other than that, I ain't see too much on the road. Finally made it. It's a cool little spot. It opened up at 12. It's like 11. It's 11:40 right now. So I got 20 minutes to chill. Then I'm gonna go in there and see what I can get. You feel what I'm saying? But yo, we done pulled up. I can't really record because it's hella copyright music. So I'm gonna just catch up when we out of here or do a little B-roll. Yo, alright. I ain't gonna lie, it's mad hot in this hoodie, but like I type got that shit on, so I don't care. We about to go to this next store. They playing like a lot of copyright music. I got a few pieces, but I can't really vlog because they playing too much copyright, and you know I need my minutes. Yiddy.
He near.
We're about to push the whip for the first time. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. I'm on a vlog.
Type shit.
Y'all need. Fuck me. And say that shit. Where you at? You said what? What store? Oh shit. Hold on. That bitch started down shit then.
I ain't never been on this side of my whip. Like, this shit different.
Where? You don't let your June drive?
Nah, she drove the other day, but I wasn't in the car.
Yeah, bro. First time you had this shit, but I ain't really tested.
Get a fin. Oh my god.
Shit.
And it's only a muffler delete though. I'm about to go a little louder.
Hell yeah.
I'm about to go a little louder.
Shit subtle. It sound good though.
Thanks.
Damn, bro.
It fit the whip, but I just need to be a little louder. Yo, we back, bro. Hey, I'm in Charlotte, and I'm like, yo, what I'm about to eat? And I'm like, yo, I've been seeing like Dave's hot chicken. And we don't got that like where I'm from, you feel what I'm saying? So I went there, got some Dave's hot chicken. See what this junk talking about, you feel me? Like, look at this. This junk look crazy. So I got the slider. I got a little bit of everything. I got a slider, a regular chicken tender, some toast, fries, and some sauce. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like the pickles. But we're gonna bust this down. But I'm gonna tell y'all what it's hitting on. Give y'all my rating 1 through 10. Alright, bet. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we did get a camera. Like, bro, I feel like a real YouTuber, like, with the camera. I ain't gonna lie, like, the camera just make me feel like I'm doing something. I was vlogging off the phone, shooting videos off the phone for like 2 or 3 years now. But now I finally upgraded, got me a camera. It jump fire, like, look at the quality. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, though, we better bust this down. She gave me some pure honey and some Dave's hot sauce. So I'm about to see what this talking about. She told me to put both of them on together. Is that a fly, bro? Hold on. No, nigga. Fly done got into the whip. Alright, bet. So I'm gonna try the slider first. This junk look crazy. So we go honey. Put that honey up there. Hold on. Show y'all how I'm about to do that. Man. Oh my god. Go honey. We go Dave sauce. I love, bro, one thing about me though, I love signature sauces. Like, if I go to any restaurant, give me your best sauce. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try it. Like, I love sauces. Right now, my favorite sauces is Chick-fil-A's Chick-fil-A sauce. I love cookout sauce. If you from like the East Coast, cookout sauce. And then probably Wendy's barbecue sauce. Those like the top 3 sauces. Dave's hot chicken, man. Let's see what this junk talking about. Hey, hold on. I gotta get another bite. I gotta get another bite. Yo, this slider, not 9 out of 10 on the slider, man. Well, bro, I don't know if it's because I'm hungry or what, but 9 out of 10 on the slider. I'm gonna try this chicken tender. I think this chicken tender is the same thing that's on the slider, so I'm gonna try it without the sauce first. I should have tried the slider without the sauce, but I was a little too hungry, you know what I'm saying? So chicken tender, plain chicken tender, this mild sauce. I'm not sure how hot it go, but we got mild sauce. I'm gonna try it real quick. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Now let me do the sauce combo. We go honey. We go honey. And we go Dave's hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Hey. Chicken tender without the sauce, 8.5 without the sauce. I'm gonna be for real. I'm gonna be for real. But with that sauce though, bruh. With that sauce, a 9.2 out of 10. French fry, regular French fry. French fries, a 4. French fries with the sauce. French fries with the sauce, a 3. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. We got toast. Plain old toast. Just toast. I'm not gonna even rate this. Like, it's just toast. So if you go to Dave's Hot Chicken, I'm not sure if this is a Charlotte thing, but Dave's Hot Chicken is fire. I ain't gonna lie. If I come back to Charlotte, I'll definitely grab this again. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna finish this sandwich. And I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. One my little ass bite on. Like, look at that, bro. Hold on. Look at that. I'm gonna cut you on a little bit. Yiddy. Yo, we just put up to this car meet. This y'all got a skate park. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the skate park when we get to it. Say what's good, dang.
Yo, what's good, vlog?
Yeah.
We out here. Little chill, little meet. We ain't really. This wasn't a pre-planned meet. This is last minute.
I swear, last minute meet.
Really wasn't about to come.
Bro hit me. I'm like, yeah, I'm slot. You know what I'm saying? Glad we came out though. This jump type deep. But we still trying to figure out how to use the camera though. I'm still getting used to it, bro. I should have brought my tripod. It's low key in the V. I might grab it. Hold on, bro.
Get up there.
I ain't trying to be walking in my. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. This man got me. This man got me walking in the grass in my fresh New Balances. What's good? I'm telling you, like, big skate park though. Big ass skate park. This is what that junk looking like.
Like boys and all that.
Can I skate real quick for the vlog?
So what?
Can I skate real quick for the vlog?
Go ahead, bro.
Yo. Can I skate real quick for my vlog?
Oh yeah.
It's recording?
Yeah, I ain't going down that shit.
Oh, it's backwards, bro. Yeah.
Teach me something.
So here, I actually painted this. So the rose points towards the front of it. And then you're gonna put your front foot right here. You're just gonna push.
Oh. Come on, Jay.
I mean, which way you're comfortable with. So there's goofy and regular. So I use my right foot, and some people use their left. Either one's good. Just make sure that your dominant foot is a little bit more on the hand right there. You want to learn a trick?
I know it.
Ramp?
Got to.
I
Got to.
for the
Yes.
vlog.
Do you want me to show you how?
Let me see you do it first.
Alright, just like this simple one right here. So as you go down it, you're just gonna bend your knees. That's it. You're gonna
Oh.
Go down it and bend my knee.
yeah.
Balls.
Want me to spot you?
Super hard.
Remember, if you fall, just try to like roll out so you don't hurt yourself.
Got it, Jay. Come on, Jay.
I might not go to work tomorrow again.
Hey, don't say that.
You might want to start a little bit farther back so you can like roll up onto it.
Yo.
Just jump on.
This boy, but
Got that? Just bend.
Type shit. Yo, 10 likes and I learned how to skate. No cap. 10?
you gotta go more, bro.
What you thinking?
40, 50.
40 likes.
I like the video, bro. This man putting hard work to make his videos for y'all.
Tight shit. Man, 50 likes, I'll learn how to skate, man. No cap. Yeet. Yo, hey, we back, man. I forgot to shoot an outro for this video. I'm gonna show y'all my pieces that I picked up from the vintage festival in a later video. I got like three or four new pieces. I'm gonna show y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We only 20 subscribers away from 200, and we gotta hit 200 soon, man. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, but yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Y'all boys stay fly, man. We out here.